Hello and welcome to the PPC Marketing Toolbox. This is a resource that I'm developing that I'm really excited about. It's a collection of premium courses and resources that are designed to empower small and medium-sized businesses to manage their own Google Ads, LinkedIn Ads, and analytics in-house. So I'm actually a Google Ads and LinkedIn Ads consultant, and if you want to learn more about that, you can go to my website here, mrppcmarketing.com. But I want to talk about the PPC Marketing Toolbox. So this is really in development. It's really in its early phases. But the idea with this is that I want to empower businesses to run their own ads. So I'm pouring all of my knowledge that I've learned over the last 3 years working with small and medium-sized businesses to teach them how to manage their ads in-house. So there's lots of businesses and a lot of businesses that I've consulted with that actually have very qualified marketing professionals within their business. So the idea with this resource is that rather than having to pay an agency or a consultant like myself every month to manage their ads, they can simply learn how to do it and get the full benefits of advertising by running their ads in-house. So really, this is designed to allow businesses to take their advertising in-house. So it's in development. I'm putting a lot of my time and effort into this, and I'm super excited. So if you want to be a part of this journey and learn more about these services, please do subscribe to the newsletter. I'll be posting content and putting out a lot of content in the coming months. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you soon.